Hey Jammers, it's Kate here and welcome to another video. So today I'm going to be explaining a little bit how I was hacked and what stuff I lost, and then after I might give shoutouts. So yeah, I have grandma jams. Okay, animals are awesome. Yes, they are. Oh, sorry. Okay. Anyways, so yeah, let's get on to the video. So how I was hacked was, obviously somebody found out my password, and I'm not going to say who, but I know exactly who it was. They're my buddy, and, yeah. So, who hacked me? Yeah, I do know, guys. And I lost so much stuff. I lost a founder, some of the color spikes, and it was really hard because, like, getting hacked, you tried so hard for all that stuff, and it's just really hard to get back because you have to work so hard again to get all your stuff back. And the sad thing is that half of the stuff that I have, like, technically all the stuff that I have, guys, is sent from people. And it just, it really, makes me really upset to know that I was hacked, and I worked so hard for all of that stuff. And guys, I don't know how many times I've been hacked, but it has been a lot of times that I've been hacked. So I definitely have to give shoutouts to these two people first. Big shout out to XxFrozenscar for sending me half of the stuff I have. Thank you so much. You're one of my best buddies. This is her den. And I appreciate that so much. So thank you so much. Everybody, please buddy her. She's a really nice person. Oh gosh. I can't stop clicking different things. Ugh. Anyways, but yeah, thank you so much. I have nothing that well put. So yeah, shout out to XxFrozenscar, and shout out to Napkinn, who was suspended today. She told me. So I know this is not much, guys. If I had better stuff, I would have sent it to you. Since I was hacked, I can't do that. This is Napkinn's den. parlor. Ghosts. Up here. So yeah, so it's just really hard to get hacked. I mean, I know that it's just a game and everything like that, but still, and goes out to anybody who is hacked or is a hacker. This is to who is a hacker. We have worked so hard for this stuff. I don't know why you would even want to take it. I mean, why can't you just get it yourself? Like, just work for it yourself. Don't just take other people's stuff. This is to people who are not hackers and have been hacked or scammed. We work so hard for that stuff, guys. I know, we all work hard for all of our stuff, and it's just really hard to see it just all go to waste, all that hard work, all that hard time. For example, if you've been playing Animal Jam for a year, you've been playing for a long time, and you have probably built up so much stuff, and so much good stuff, and so much work. And if you get hacked or scammed, and that just all goes to waste, that's not really fun. And anybody who has been only hacked and lost everything, I know how you feel, guys. I know exactly how you guys feel. I have been hacked, as you can see, by my animals' look and all the stuff that's in my inventory, how it's all gone. Yeah. We all worked so hard for it, guys. So, none of us want to be hacked. None of us. So guys, like, never give out your password, or never give out any parent information. Never give out any information, for example, your password, of course. Your password to your parent dashboard, because then they can get into every one of your accounts and change the password. Don't tell them your phone number, don't tell them anything unless you know them in real life. And if you don't know them in real life, for example, this is Meal of Tacos. This is me on a spare account. Yeah, I got an owl. It's so cute. But this account has nothing on it either. Here, I'll go and get onto that account right now. Okay, guys, so this is Meal of Tacos account. I go to Diamond. Somebody's in my den, which is me on Farmers 101. Cool. Okay. So as you can see, where am I? It says that somebody's in my den, but nobody's in my den. That's, oh yeah, it's that glitch. Farmers 101 is still online. What? But how? But what? Oh my god, that's weird. Anyways, guys. Yeah, big help. These people are such big helps. So thank you so much all. Oh yeah, and this is survival on this account. Did items, I have this game. So guys, just to let you know, I love you all. Thank you for watching. Sorry this video was so long. I was planning on making it 5 minutes, but instead it's 9. Well, let's make that 10. Thank you all for watching. I love you guys so much. Remember, stay awesome, protect your password. Don't give it out to anybody. Don't give anything out. Don't give any information out, or else you will probably get hacked. And I don't want to see any of my fans sad, because that makes me sad too. Thank you all for watching this video, and if you could really, if you could help me out, which these people don't have to help me out anymore, because they've helped me out way too much. And also this person. Okay. Squishy Master. Before. Well, that jammer couldn't be found. I guess it was suspended or something. Huh. That's this video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all. In the next video, we will be doing an adventure. So yeah, guys, stay safe, protect yourselves. Love you all, and I will see you in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.